What is good, y'all? Everyday Carry here, back with another video, and today I want to go over my holiday haul, everything I got over the holidays. And as always, check out my Instagram at everyday.carry_ for daily EDC content. And if you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. Let's get into it. First thing I want to start off with is the watch. So I just got this for Christmas. It is the Timex Expedition. As you know, I have been using a just typical generic Casio watch from Walmart and wanted something just a little bit nicer. Starting to use my Casio more as my work watch, and now the Expedition as my any other time watch. Very step up in class. It doesn't look like a work watch. It looks like more of a dress type watch. I know it's not a dress watch, but from what I had before to now is, in my opinion, a pretty good upgrade. I also got this at Walmart. You can get this a lot of places, but I think this was around $43. So moving on is my new flashlight. This is an Olight, and this is the Olight Warrior 3S. Now, if you've seen the lights that I've carried previously, this is probably about 3 to 4 times bigger than any light that I've carried so far. But this is a massive step up in both battery, which I hated about the other lights, is the battery would just die so fast. So the battery is a huge step up, as well as the output. Maximum output on this is 2300 lumens, and the minimum is 1 lumen. And I love that this has a 1 lumen output, because in the middle of the night, if I need to get up, or especially when I get up for work at 4:35 in the morning, I don't need to wake my wife and my baby up to be able to see. I can just click this on and I have light adequate enough in pitch black to see everything that I'm doing. But this does have a few different modes. So you have your moonlight, which is 1 lumen, step up, another step up, 1 more. And on the tail switch here, you have your turbo. And I love the 3S because in turbo, see it right there, it has a proximity sensor. So the previous models of this had issues with burning holes if it accidentally turned on in your pocket. This has a proximity sensor, which eliminates that issue. Also, it has the side switch and the tail switch, which I really enjoy. Take that step down. It also has memory. So right now I keep it in moonlight. That way I don't have to be messing around with different modes in the middle of the night or in the morning, you know, maxing it out at 2300 lumens or 600 lumens, blinding and waking up everybody in the room. I can just click this on to 1 lumen, see what I can do, and that's it. But what I appreciate here is it has mode indicators. So low, medium, and high, and then your turbo. Also has a battery indicator, and this is rechargeable. So this battery is massive. So it's Olight's proprietary battery, which is a 21700 rechargeable battery. Massive, 5000 milliamp hour. It's funny because I took the battery out for the first time, showed it to my wife, and she's like, holy crap, that is a massive battery. It is. But the upside to that is when you go into your moonlight mode, your moonlight will last 55 days, which is insane. Turbo will last 2.5 minutes, and it'll step down to 800 lumens, which is right there, for 166 minutes, and then down to 250 lumens for another, I want to say 50 or 60 minutes. So this thing has insane battery life, which is absolutely a necessity when it comes to a work light. I use this, I work in HVAC. If you've been here before, you know that. But working in attics, I need extended output for extended battery life for high lumen output. My other flashlights, my i3T EOS and my i5T Plus, they have decent output, but the battery on those is lacking. The battery life, I should say. For everyday use, totally fine. But for work, I needed something substantial. So the Olight Warrior 3S comes with this nice sheath, which is perfect for work. I can just pop it on my belt thanks to the belt loop and call it good. So there's that. Next is the wallet, the Rossem wallet. I got this in shredded carbon fiber and G10 to go hand in hand with my shredded carbon fiber and blue G10 QSP Penguin. And I got this because I had reached out to Rossem. I'm pretty sure I'm saying that right. Rossem. Anyway, I reached out to them, said, hey, I like your stuff. Can I check it out? They said, absolutely. Pick which one you like. So now I have a matching combo of QSP Penguin and wallet in shredded carbon fiber and blue G10. This thing is awesome. I used to EDC a leather wallet from Whitstable Craft Co. Absolutely love that thing. That is still my absolute favorite wallet. But for work and everything, I don't want to ruin that, sweat through it, and scratch it up, ding it up. I want it to patina, but I don't want it to get ruined. So this has become my work wallet. Really sturdy, has an elastic band, and it actually came with a replacement band if this one ever wears out. Awesome thing that they did. Also a little money strap to throw some bills if you'd like in the back. But yeah, if you know the Ridge wallet or anything like that, it is pretty much exactly the same. But this thing comes in at 25, I want to say about 25 bucks. The Olight Warrior, I forgot to mention, the Warrior 3S comes in at about 115. So not the cheapest light, but you get exactly what you pay for. So anyway, 25 bucks for this. Absolutely love it. Again, I put my most used cards. I have my bank card and my license on either side, so that's quick access right there. And my not so much used cards in the middle. So they're not really super easy to get to, but I have my most used on either side there, so really not a problem. Next on my haul is this right here. Let's see if I can zoom out here. Maybe. Oh, not what I wanted. Please work with me. Is this, and this is the Carhartt tool roll. And I got this specifically to store my knives. What I used to use is, actually, let me go get it. So this is what I used to use for my knife storage, but, and this is just a case from Home Depot, but I used to store my pens in here, my knives on the other side. Used to put my knives in here. Has 6 slots there for different knives. I also have some tool maintenance, knife maintenance, pocket clips, and extra things like that. But I wanted something a little bit more in line with caring for my knives so that they didn't get scratched up, dinged up, what have you. So I went with this Carhartt tool roll. Now this comes in at about 25 bucks on Amazon. And it has 18 pockets, 18 different slots for knives in varying sizes. So you have going from tiny to massive that will fit full-size, extended full-size knives. Up top here, you have 3 Velcro patches, or pockets per se, for what have you. If you want to put knife maintenance in there as well. I'm still going to use my Home Depot box for knife maintenance, just so I can keep things separate. I don't know what's on that pocket clip. But this is amazing. I just set this up today and I'm absolutely loving it. It just rolls up like this. And clasps right into place here. Awesome storage option. For 25 bucks, you get a pretty sturdy canvas tool roll. And so yeah, 25 bucks on Amazon. I'm gonna link all of this below. So if you're interested in anything you see here, it will be linked below. Okay, and now we're gonna move on to knives. So first up is this fixed blade from a company called Holtzman's. And I didn't see a product name. All it said was Holtzman's fixed blade. So this is what it is. It's in 1095 carbon steel with a blade length of 4 inches, overall length of 8.6 inches, and it is full tang. So you have a full 8.6 inches of 1095 carbon steel. And the ergonomics of this knife are actually really good. It kind of just sits really well in the hand. Handle material is G10. And yeah, just a really solid fixed blade. Comes with a really nice Kydex sheath. Really good retention and little security strap. So that thing isn't going anywhere. Pop that off, blade comes right out. And retail on this is $99. It does come with a ferrule rod, a striker, and a little piece of paracord in the box as well. But this is a solid knife. I really like it, and I've been carrying it, trying to find the best way to carry it because it's a little large for tip down carry. So I'm trying sideways and seeing how I like it. So far, I like it a lot. Next up is folding knives. So first up, we have the Civivi Chi-V Plus in Nitro V steel. And this is an Ostap Hell design. And it's on bearings. And so the action is absolutely incredible. Handle material is G10 with a little speck of carbon fiber. You have a deep carry pocket clip that is reversible. It's described as a front flipper, but I'm going to say it's more of a top flipper. Just for the fact that you can't front flip it, if I can get it, you can only top flip it. So, I'm calling it a top flipper. Really nice, curved up Wharncliffe style blade with a really good stone wash. And this blade shape is going to be super useful for those drag cuts, opening boxes, opening packages. This thing is going to do it absolutely no problem. And did I say it was Nitro V steel? Nitro V steel. You have a blade length of 2.52 inches and an overall length of 6.1 inches. And this thing is awesome. Goes for about 66 bucks. All of my prices are based on Amazon. So if you can find it cheaper, awesome. And if you find it more expensive anywhere else, then I guess Amazon is your place. So Civivi Chi-V Plus. Next up, we have the Civivi Lumi. I originally, when I was looking at this, thought it was going to be a lot smaller. And the dimensions and the specs are actually pretty similar to the Chi-V Plus. You have a blade length of 2.56 inches, so a little bit more blade, and an overall length of 6.09 inches. So a little bit less overall, but you also get a little bit more blade. And this is a top flipper. You can see there's a little bit of jimping right there, so it rolls absolutely no problem. And this is a Justin Lundquist design in, does it say on the blade anywhere? Could have swore I saw it somewhere hidden right there, if it'll focus. It is 14C28N steel. OD green micarta handles. It runs on bearings, same as the Kai V Plus, but the blade is so thin and small that it is just as smooth. Finger flicking, no problem. Some problem if you don't push down hard enough is the issue I run into most often when trying to open it like this, but opening it with your thumb, every time you get it. I have not stopped carrying this since I got it. It is an absolutely awesome, awesome knife. Again, the Civivi Lumi by Justin Lundquist. Tip up, reversible deep carry pocket clip. Always nice when they do that. And yeah, this one comes in at about 56 bucks. So not bad for a 14C28N knife running on bearings. Awesome. And lastly, probably my favorite and another Justin Lundquist is the Kaiser Feist XL. Absolutely awesome knife. This one is in 154 cm, black micarta handle, and this is awesome. Awesome stonewash finish again. Deep carry pocket clip that is not reversible, which I don't have a problem with. I am right-handed, so not a problem. This one is on bearings as well. Once you get past that D10, it just falls shut. This is a front flipper. You can thumb flick, no problem. You can finger knuckle, I'm not sure what to call that, but you can flick it this way, no problem. You can sort of reach around flick. I haven't gotten the handle of it yet, or you can actually slow roll it pretty well. But this is an absolutely awesome knife, the Feist XL. This one comes in at $87 on Amazon, 154 cm blade steel. You have a 3.35 inch blade with a 7.76 overall length. And access to the lock bar on this, it is a liner lock. You see the cutout right there is just perfect. And yeah, that is everything. And everything laid out here. This is everything I got over the holidays. Comment down below what you guys got, and like, subscribe for more content like this. Like always, carry on. Peace.